As Omicron spreads rapidly across the region, school officials are also making swift decisions to protect staff and students. We've learned several school districts are making adjustments to their schedules, including a return to remote learning. Thank you for being with us. I'm Ann Allred.
And I'm Mike Bush. Most of the districts doing this are in the Metro East. 5 on your side's Justina Cornell spoke to school leaders about their decisions. Justina.
Yeah, Mike, so school officials say they're looking at the amount of infections taking place. If we take a look at the numbers in Illinois, the 7-day average for new cases is around 23,000. By far, that's the highest it's been in this pandemic.
We thought we'd be back to normal by now.
Yet for some Metro East students, they'll be seeing teachers through a screen once again.
This decision was not an easy one, but it was the right decision.
Monday morning, all grade levels at Brooklyn Unit School District 188 went virtual. And Tuesday, the same goes for the East St. Louis School District. Superintendent Arthur Culver says it's leaning on its local health department for decisions to stop the spread of COVID.
They strongly suggested that we consider actually going remote for the whole month of January. We decided to take a look at things in 2 weeks to see whether or not the numbers had gotten better. It would be responsible also to wait and see what happens after the January 1st New Year's Day celebrations. We know that the numbers will probably escalate again.
Belleville Township High School District 201 will shift to remote learning for the week. The reasoning? The inability to cover staff. Some are isolating due to COVID or exposure. This applies to Edwardsville School District 2.
We have a lot of staff that is out right now with COVID on quarantine, and we would not be able to provide adequate services for our students. So we've had principals, assistant principals, guidance counselors, and other staff and administrators subbing, but unfortunately, there just becomes a point when you can't adequately serve the students if a significant number of staff are absent.
Culver, like other leaders, hope for a safer return soon, but ask families to take action now.
We're begging them to please get those vaccinations, including boosters.
In Missouri, a handful of districts are also making adjustments. St. John Vianney High School plans to have students learn remotely during its first week back, and Bryan Hill Elementary in St. Louis Public Schools is going virtual for the remainder of the week as well.